All our garden sheds are made from quality slow-grown spruce, and the vast majority come fully pressure treated as standard with a 10-year guarantee. The pressure treatment will reduce the likelihood of rot or insect infestation and increase the longevity of the product. We also provide pressure-treated floor bearers at no extra cost to ensure the perfect long-lasting solution for the foundation of your shed. We provide solid and full-length high-quality notched and grooved timber logs to complete your Taarmo shed. Some shed manufacturers save time and money by gluing pieces of timber together instead of using full, pressure-treated lengths. We do not jeopardise the integrity or the aesthetics of the shed in this way. The security of all your belongings is a priority to us, so the vast majority of our garden sheds are supplied with a zinc-plated hinge as standard. This sturdy hinge is screwed and bolted into the timber framework of the door. This makes it a lot more difficult for intruders to unscrew the doors and gain access. The structure of your shed, particularly the walls, is a very important factor to consider when choosing the perfect garden storage solution. Tongue and groove is a popular style as it allows the logs to interlock and therefore reinforces both the strength and protection of the shed against the elements. The Taarmo shed comes with pressure-treated floor bearers as well as 11mm slow-grown spruce tongue and groove roof and floorboards as standard. The tongue and groove boards are fitted by slotting each board into each other, creating a sturdy surface with an attractive appearance. This is the perfect material for the job, especially when you compare it to cheaper OSB boards found on the market. Our sheds are designed for the UK, so the vast majority are under 2.5 metres tall, meaning you are far less likely to require planning permission. If you are unsure though, it's always best to contact your local authority. The protection of any garden shed roof is important, especially with the unpredictable British weather. So a highly durable tear-resistant felt for use on your roof along with all the fixings required is included with the garden shed at no extra cost to you.
Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?